Ever wondered how we know exactly where we are on this vast planet of ours? That's where the concept of latitudes and longitudes comes in, serving as the global positioning system before there was a global positioning system. Latitude and longitude are lines of reference that help us pinpoint any location on Earth. They form an imaginary grid over our planet, much like the lines on a chessboard, but on a much larger scale. Picture the Earth as a globe. Now imagine a line running horizontally around the center of that globe. That's the equator, the starting point for measuring latitude. Latitude lines, also known as parallels, run east and west, parallel to the equator. They measure the distance north or south of the equator, up to 90 degrees in either direction. The furthest points north and south at 90 degrees are the north and south poles. Longitude, on the other hand, measures the distance east or west of a line called the prime meridian. Longitude lines, also known as meridians, run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Unlike latitude lines, which are parallel to each other, longitude lines converge at the poles. Starting at 0 degrees at the prime meridian, they extend to 180 degrees east and west. Together, these lines create a grid, allowing us to specify any location on Earth using a pair of numerical coordinates. For example, London, England, is located at approximately 51 degrees north latitude and 0 degrees longitude, as it sits on the prime meridian. With this system, we can navigate the seas, fly planes, and even find specific locations on a hiking trail. Without latitudes and longitudes, we'd be lost, quite literally. So, to quickly recap, latitude and longitude are lines that crisscross our planet, forming a grid. Latitude lines, or parallels, run east and west, measuring the distance north or south of the equator. Longitude lines, or meridians, run north and south, measuring the distance east or west of the prime meridian. Together, these coordinates help us pinpoint any location on Earth. This concept might seem simple now, but it took centuries for humans to develop, refine, and understand. So the next time you use your smartphone to find your way, remember the latitudes and longitudes working behind the scenes, making it all possible.